friends, welcome. In this video you're going to learn what is cryptocurrency scalping, why it's so worth to use it, and how we can make money on this. I will show you three type of strategies. I will show you tools that we use to do all of this, and we will see at the end two real examples of beautiful trades, and you'll understand logic of all of this. Cryptocurrency scalping, idea of this is to take trades, small trades, for example, price do some moves, and you take small trades with small stop losses, but you use leverage, and even 2-3% of movement of the price is good for you because you make money on this. To do scalping of cryptocurrencies, you need to use DOM and footprint. It's essential. Why? Because about DOM and footprint, I'll add a video lesson and article in description. I highly recommend you to learn what is this stuff, because it's gold. I think it's gold in crypto. It shows to you next type of information. First, it shows you every trade that already happened. Imagine if some people bought, for example, 5,000, 10,000 bitcoins, you will see it in a footprint, because footprint, it's a history of real trades. OrderFlow, have a look on this. You can see how people do transactions right now. Do people buy or sell? It is, and DOM, depth of market, it shows to you a pending orders. For example, some people would like to buy big amount of coins, and I will show you, by the way, examples how price bounced from big and powerful size. There are three types of strategies that people use commonly by cryptocurrency scalping. By the way, friends, I ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell, because you'll get so many updates in the future. And below there would be a link to our public Telegram channel. Stay tuned, there are a lot of useful stuff that will help you make money. Next, three type of strategy. First one, it is a breakout. Second, it is a bounce, and a false breakout. Let me show you an example. It will be example with a bounce from a big size, and you will understand the logic and idea of scalping. What's the major idea bounce of big size? You do it when in a DOM you see big order. For example, like this example. It is a Dogecoin example. Dogecoin example. Pay attention. 8 million coins. What it means? This part, it is order flow. That means price was here. Here someone said buy limit order more than 8 million coins. There were 9 millions because 1 million already traded. And how it works? Quite often when price reach such area, it bounced from that area. I will show you a record of that trade. And there are another examples that we traded yesterday on 1 inch, also a big size, 223,000 coins of 1 inch. This size was smaller, but still it was good enough to take some scalp. This story was really funny. Yesterday my friend came to me, to my home, and he asked me, okay, show me how do you trade. Okay, come here. We found big size, and already it took maybe 15 minutes to find big size and took a trade together, and made some money. It was funny because only by that one trade I made more money than he making on his job for whole entire day. And let's pay attention to this record. This one, 224,000. What you see on this chart, this part, it is DOM and footprint of spot market. This one, it is a futures market. And orders, quite often you can see orders on spot market, but there is no on the futures, and opposite. That's why it's so important to watch on two platforms. And also, friends, if you would like to get recommendation about platforms that you can use for DOM footprint exchanges, I prepared for you a mini course. There would be information in description, really affordable, and there would be all information what platforms you need to do. Just watch and get it. And have a look. Have a look, my friends. Before that big size, what we did, we took a trade. It is our first trade, second trade, third trade. And also here I had 2 limit orders because sometimes price come to big size and sometimes price bounce before that, and it's really sad. And after that, have a look how beautifully and after that it just beautifully rose and reached our take profit. That's it. And have a look here. It took maybe 20-40 minutes to take this trade. It was really a beautiful trade. Have a look. I took this rise and have a look, my friend, price after that again retested that big size. I took only 1.5%. Price retested that big size, and after that it rose by maybe 10%. That's power of big sizes. Why it's so profitable for us and why we should definitely learn it? Because we have very low and predictable stop loss. Because when you trade by scalping strategy, you set stop loss below size, above size, depends. If you trade breakout, false breakout, your stop loss is always really small. For example, 0.1% of price move, 0.2%. Like yesterday, imagine you have stop loss 0.2%, but price rose 2%. That's 1 to 10 risk reward. Yes, you need to use leverage, you need to learn it, but still, it's awesome. Potential reward in many times bigger. Have a look on example on a Dogecoin. I also recorded Dogecoin. And have a look on this service. This service helps us to see how our trades did. This service automatically record our trades. And pay attention, we took a Dogecoin from that big size that I showed to you. And here, this one, it is a 2% rise. After that, price rose by 5%. And after that, my friends, price rose by maybe 15%, and your stop loss was 0.1%. Share with me in the comments, is it really awesome? And should I share with you strategies, breakout, false breakout, and bounce according to scalping approach? Also, I record for you more videos about our trades, how we did it. That's why at this moment, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell to be updated, and watch this lesson about DOM footprint, and soon we will help you to use these strategies by yourself. Thank you for your time.